Aba, aba, aba. Aba, aba. Aba, aba. Uy! Hello! Unsa na imong hanger? Yeah. Hi. I'm not naked. I have towel. May balita po ako sa inyo. Delayed ang inyong Inday. Ilang araw nang delayed. And alam ko, yung mga feeling perfect dyan, magagalit na naman. Buntis ba ako? Kay nanay pala na nagsabi, hindi daw siya maiinggit sa akin. Wala daw kainggit-inggit sa akin. Dahil nandito lang naman daw ako, nag-aalaga at stuck daw ako sa aking 3 anak. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat ng mga nagsasabi mga negative dyan. Sa lahat nagagalit dyan sa akin. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Dahil, kung lalo kang hihilain pababa, lalo kang i-bash, mas madaming dadating po sa iyo. So, thank you sa inyo. Delayed, magbihis muna ako ha. Daming nagre-react pag nagsasabi ako, uwi ako ng Pilipinas, buntis ako, dahil ano daw, wala naman daw kaming kaya, bakit mag-anak ng marami? Alam nyo, hindi ako nanghihingi sa inyo and you have no right to complain dahil hindi nyo naman ako binibigyan ng milyon-milyones. Pag uwi ako ng Pilipinas, something to do with that, may napundar na mga bahay, mga ganito ganyan, dapat daw mayroong bahay kami dito sa UK, sa Pilipinas, and HW. Ang aking buhok dapat putulan para daw neat yung aking muka. At kay Jessica, please do mind your own business. Huwag nyo akong i-control dahil hindi ako nagpapakontrol. Kaya umiyak na si Jack. Mag-say thank you kay Tita Oni. Nice kaayo na oh. Na-meaning Jack. Na-name nasuko na galit. Jack, English, God is gracious, a brave explorer. Jack is always ready to take on next challenge. Maglingo-lingo man. And is drawn to have fun. His confidence put people at ease, while his positive and enthusiastic nature inspires others to join him. Nice kay meaning, bye. Nice kaayo, bye. Si Jack. Kinakausap niya, ang kuan. Ay, dili man na pa ako. Hoy. Unsa man na? Unsa na? Nagkabat-kabat na. Wa na gyud. Wa na. Ningkamot na siya, oh. Hala, sige. Hala, sige, Jack. Hala. Lawa na. Wala ka na. Mga next month nito, maglalakad na to. Unsa na? Busy man ni siya, oy. Unsa na? Nanggubot man ka. Uy, ma-hurt pala, nalusot ang tiil. Hala. Oh, sorry. Oh, wala, oy. Nalusot ang tiil niya. Agoy, wa na nang bungkag na naman. Hi! Nasa ka sa gitna? You like that? Big boy na ka, no? Hmm?
My bag over so you don't.
It's okay.
Stand up with your legs.
Jack boy!
Where's
That's alright, honey. Just leave it there. Leave it there.
Move the boots forward.
Alright. Honey, look at him. Honey.
Oh, big boy! You're in the big boy's chair? Are you? Huh? In the big boy's chair? Huh?
Middle one. I think he likes that. He can see. Okay, let's go. Naglalakad ako, papunta ako doon. Oh, i-meet ko si ate. Meron daw siyang regalo sa mga bata. Nung Christmas. Ako hindi ko pa na-upload yung Christmas present na pag-open ng mga bata. Nakalimutan ko yung pag-open nila ng regalo. So, pupunta ako doon. 2:51 pa naman. Tapos, 3:15 man yung out ng mga bata. Kawawa naman si ate kay mabigat yung dala niya ba. Tapos, yung regalo ko sa kanya, hindi ko pa mabigay kay wala pa. Kulang-kulang pa. Akadang inyang Inday for today. Kawawa kasi si ate ba, mabigat yun. Kaya imit ko na lang siya doon o sa middle. Kami sana yung magpunta doon. Si ate ata yan? There's lots of presents.
Excuse me.
Excited na si Jenny mag-open, oh.
So, there's your keys.
Thank
One
you.
is closing the door.
Do you have a pound?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Give a phone. I'm just going to look into the car a minute and then I'll...
Careful, Nak. There's a lot of cars. Gusto ko sana dito parking. Ikaw, mag-open din ito. Ang daming regalo ni Ate Oni for Jack din. Nakaiba pa yung sa kanyang bag. Nakaiba ng madami ng regalo ng Jack. Agoy, wa na gyud lamutakin gyud na nila si Jack sa halik. Careful ba kay maybe he got out balance ba? Unsa na?
This is doggy thing.
Yeah? Oh, nanghawid. Nanghawid ang kamay.
Dog.
Oh, ikaw dahil na, Jenny?
Dolphin.
Galing kay Ate Oni itong mga
Then
regalo.
you got like another
Wow!
like another gift.
At saka mga bike. Kita niyo yung dami ng regalo ni Ate Oni sa kanila. Ayan o. Ang laki.
Fairy.
Tapos, ito pa.
I got Hello Kitty.
Kay Jack.
Hello Kitty. This is it.
Jack! Dali, Jack!
Maybe yours.
Ali kay Mami!
There's also
Ali
this
kay
one.
mag-open sa imo gift. Hala, basic kay silang dalawa. Uy. Dali, dali, dali.
Jenny, this is
Show
yours.
it! Wow! Hala, meron silang mga
I
buo.
got one for you.
What is it? Oh, thank you, Tioni. Grabe, ang dami. Ali, Jack!
Jenny.
Jennifer, here! Here ba? Wala, excited kay silang
Another
dalawa.
one.
Ayan ang akin.
The wrapper.
Ayan pa, oh, ang dami nila. Oh.
Mommy, it's soft. I got soft.
Wow! You need to use that when you sleep at night because it's cold. Sit down.
Hey!
Jackie boy! Ah! Tumba na! Wa na.
Dada, you can open this one for you.
Ay, naka-gift from Tita Oni, Say thank you. Thank you.
My
Jay. Jay. That's yours?
Opening it.
Wow. What's in there?
Like
Wow. You have to wear that when you... Wow, that's very nice.
clothes. And this
May samukan mang isa dyan. Naglaba pala ako, nandun oh. Oh, wow, that's very nice, Jenny. Jenny. Wow.
Can I open your one?
Okay.
Mommy, I can wear this when I change.
Okay. Si Jack ay samukan.
My life here.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, you got
Ay, ang
And
cute.
this is mine. And that's yours. My one,
Yeah.
yeah.
Jackie boy.
What is it?
Stop it. Maguba na, maguba. O nauni, alis na siya. Oh.
Okay. Look.
Meron kay Jack ang dami.
We have the
Ang
palette.
saba, gid nilang
Mommy,
dalawa.
we already have these.
Si Jack.
Mommy, we already have these.
Yeah. Yeah, you keep that one. Wow, ang ganda. You have to kuan that one. Please. Is that yours, okay?
What?
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, very
Any
nice.
more?
Any more bitaron? Ayan pa, oh.
Yeah, Jack ones.
Hala, ang ganda nito, oh. Ang ganda.
My one.
It's very nice, JJ. Hala, where you gonna put your cellophane? Oh, this one, oh, wow. Si Jack, diri kay mag-open, open, oh. Say thank you, Tita Oni. Ang laki kaya kay Jack. Oh, wow. Look at that one, Jack. Si Jack. Oh. No? No, we forgot.
What his name is? That?
Ooh, look at that one, Jack. Very nice. Thank you, Te. Uy, you say thank you sa dito, oh, Ate Oni, oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ay, ang cute. Ano, Jack? No, wait, sana.
Can I see?
Ang cute, oh. Lagyan ko to ng picture ni Jack. Wow, look, Jack. Cute kayo. Wow, thank you. Ay, hala, may gloves. Saktong-sakto. May gloves na ka lang. Na naka-gloves, oh, pag maghatid.
That has like.
Oh, gloves,
That
oh.
has this.
Oh, Jack has this one. Wow, that's a lot. Say thank you dito. Oh, thank you. Si Jack.
Thank you for my chocolate.
Kinain na ni Wayne. Ay, ang cute. Ay, kinuha na naman niya.
Did you see the backpack?
Ang cute. Suotin ito ni Jack. Honey, look at this.
Oh wow, that's lovely.
It's so nice for
Yeah.
sleeping,
Thank you
no?
very much, honey.
Tita Wani, thank you. Thank you. Ang ganda. Hala, ang ganda. Promise. Hala, parang di naglihok ako ng kamera. Naguba na nini mo, Jack ba? Ayan pa, oh. Ang dami. Ito, oh. Wow, try this. Try this, Jack. Wow! Honey, look at the new hats.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh, wow! Wow! Bagay na bagay kay Jack. Maybe, si Mommy face. What you got, JJ? Where are you, Jenny? Ay, magsukat daw siya. What? What you gonna change? Ay, suotin mo ito? This? Suotin niya din. Ay, that's yours. Oh, okay. Jackie boy! Wow! Cute kasi siyang kalo, boy! Ooh! Ang ganda ng kalo. Bagay na bagay kay Jack. Wow! Wow! Nice na, Jack? Oh, oh, gloves, oh. Honey, he won't get cold, his hands. This is gloves. No, we have to tidy this one here first. Oy, I think he's hungry. Hungry na ka? Didi na mama? What's that?
It's a coloring book.
Oh, wow. That's very nice. Oh, hala, wow. May crayon na oh.
I got pens.
Tuwang-tuwa si JJ. Nagbihis na si Jenny. Asa na ka, Jenny?
I got pens. Daddy, I got coloring book.
Teka, ilagay ko ito dito kay si Jack, ang kanyang kuan. Diyan ko muna ito, itiklop ko yan. Ang ganda niyan, oh, ito, oh. Si Jack ba, hindi na malamigan pag gabi.
My coloring.
You have to take this sticker so that you can open it. Ito kay Wayne ay. Oh, ang dami niyang regalo na. Hala, ang sarap ba nito? Oh, paborito ko to.
How do I open it?
Ah, nakadikit pag yun. Ha?
How do I open it?
That's already open.
Yeah, but it's me.
M&M's.
Mommy, it's me.
Harbido. Ah! Grabe ba? Nakabihis na Jenny, oh! Wow! Honey, look! Oh!
Nice.
Ooh.
Mom, can you help?
What?
This is weird. Okay, so when we
It's big book. They fold it. Tignan nyo.
so
Oh, you gonna wear socks as well?
yeah.
Oh, grabe na yun si Jenny. It's big book, JJ.
Big book.
Tignan nyo na.
Big book.
Si Jack, wala na.
Daddy, this is cardboard.
Oh,
It's cardboard.
yeah.
It's the same.
What's the same?
We got
Wow.
the same sock,
Very nice.
but I give one of them.
You
to
won't
JJ.
get anak. You won't get cold. It looks so nice. Yeah, you have to take it. Did you take it? Yeah. Grabe na good si Jenny. Oh. Ah, nag-change po si JJ. Ah, they changed na. Grabe yun, oy. Ngayon pa sumali, oh. Busy sila sa kanilang mga
JJ,
book.
I'm going to do different colors for the numbers.
Grabe kayo, oy. Grabe yun, oy. Sobrang saya nila sa bigay ng Tita Oni nila at Kuya Peter. Pasensya na kayo sa background kay
JJ,
bicycle.
I have
Ang ganda.
stickers.
Meron pa, oh. Eh, paborito pala di ate si Disney
Mommy, I have
Princess.
stickers.
Yeah, lots of stickers. Si Mickey Mouse ba? Hindi ko alam. Paborito pala ni ate si Mickey.
Stickers.
Akin ba ito? Di man to. Ay, hala. Pink. Ang cute. Ayan, oh.
Oh, you're lucky.
It's so cute. She likes this one, di ay. Mickey Mouse.
Blue.
Tita Oni. Ang ganda. Unsa ni? Fragrance. Ha?
See?
Pabango.
Wanna see?
Di, bango.
Mommy, it's
Ang bango niya. Ha? Wow, very nice. You like it?
JJ, yours is mini.
Naka na mini, nakasaks pa sila. Oy.
JJ, look the pens out.
Jack!
Okay, wait there.
Jackie boy!
I know.
Hali na! Walay paki ang isa, oh.
See, its name is Cat.
Nakaibihis na sila. Ay, gustong-gusto. Uy, ang bagay-bagay sa kanilang dalawa. Salamat, Oni. Tuwang-tuwa talaga sila. Yung isa, oh, wala gito'y paki ang isa. Si Jack. Hoy, Jack! Asa naman ka? Saan na yung bata na yun?
How you got the pens out?
Ayan na siya. Papunta na.
Just like that.
Oh, mangubi na yan siya sa mga gamit ni JJ at Jenny. Are you playing?
That one is mine. Jenny said give us her
Sticker.
stuff.
Oh, mayroon si Jenny nito. Oh, tuwang-tuwa siya sa mga Peppa Pig niya.